Ladies and gentlemen, hi, I am Premal Shah from Red Mammoth Ventures, Mumbai. I am the Vice President, Operations. Thank you for the opportunity allowing me to speak with you today about Red Mammoth Ventures LLP, a premier business consulting and financial advisory firm dedicated to empowering businesses and driving sustainable growth. In today's rapidly changing economic landscape, the need for expert guidance and strategic planning has never been more critical. The Red stands at the forefront of this need, offering comprehensive solutions that help businesses navigate complexities, seize opportunities, and achieve their full potential. Founded on the principles of integrity, innovation, and excellence, Red Mammoth Ventures LLP has built a reputation for delivering high-quality consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Our team of seasoned professionals brings a wealth of experience and expertise across various industries, enabling us to provide insights and strategies that are both practical and impactful. At Red Mammoth Ventures LLP, we understand that every business is unique, with its own set of challenges and opportunities. That's why we take a personalized approach to consulting, working closely with our clients to understand their goals, identify their strengths and weaknesses, and develop customized strategies that drive success. Our services span a wide range of areas, including business strategy, operational efficiency, market entry, and digital transformation. One of the core pillars of our consulting services is business strategy. We believe that a well-defined strategy is the foundation of any successful business. Our team works with clients to develop clear, actionable plans that align with their long-term vision and objectives. This involves conducting thorough market research, analyzing competitive landscapes, and identifying growth opportunities. By leveraging our deep industry knowledge and analytical capabilities, we help businesses make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Amongst our business consulting services, we also make available to our international clients India market entry consulting services, which begins from identifying potential projects up to licensing and setup of the project. Operational efficiency is another critical area where the Red excels. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency is key to maintaining a competitive edge. Our consultants work with clients to streamline their operations, optimize processes, and reduce costs. This can involve everything from supply chain management and process reengineering to implementing advanced technologies and best practices. By enhancing operational efficiency, we help businesses improve productivity, reduce waste, and increase profitability. In addition to business consulting, the Red offers comprehensive financial advisory services. Our financial experts provide a wide range of services, including financial planning, investment advisory, risk management, and mergers and acquisitions. We understand that sound financial management is crucial to the success of any business, and our goal is to help clients make strategic financial decisions that drive growth and stability. Our financial planning services are designed to help businesses develop robust financial strategies that align with their goals. This involves analyzing financial statements, forecasting future performance, and identifying potential risks and opportunities. By providing detailed financial insights, we enable clients to make informed decisions and achieve their financial objectives. Investment advisory is another key area of our financial services. Our team of experts works with clients to develop investment strategies that maximize returns while minimizing risks. This can involve everything from portfolio management and asset allocation to identifying new investment opportunities. By leveraging a deep market knowledge and analytical capabilities, we help clients build diversified portfolios that deliver long-term value. Risk management is also a critical component of our financial advisory services. In today's uncertain business environment, managing risk is more important than ever. Our team works with clients to identify potential risks, assess their impact, and develop strategies to mitigate them. This can involve everything from insurance and hedging strategies to developing contingency plans and crisis management protocols. By proactively managing risk, we help businesses protect their assets and ensure long-term stability. Mergers and acquisitions are another area where the Red provides valuable expertise. Our team works with clients to identify potential acquisition targets, conduct due diligence, and negotiate deals. We understand that such transactions can be complex and challenging, and our goal is to help clients navigate the process smoothly and achieve their strategic objectives. By providing expert guidance and support, we help businesses unlock new growth opportunities and create value through strategic acquisitions. At the Red, our mission is to empower businesses to achieve their full potential. We are committed to delivering high quality consulting and financial advisory services that drive growth, enhance efficiency, and create value. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing personalized, practical solutions that address the unique needs of each client. Whether you are looking to develop a new business strategy, optimize your operations, or make strategic financial decisions, Red Mammoth Ventures LLP is here to help. In conclusion, the Red stands as a trusted partner for businesses seeking expert guidance and strategic support. Our comprehensive consulting and financial advisory services are designed to help clients navigate the complexities of today's business environment, seize opportunities, and achieve sustainable growth. We are proud to be at the forefront of empowering businesses and driving positive change. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any questions or discussions you may have about Red Mammoth Ventures LLP. I can be reached at premil@businessinitiativegroup.com. Visit our website redmamotventures.in for more details.